My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the StormX, and a lot of people message me that please make a video on StormX and that what is the next target of the StormX. So in this video we are trying to predict the next target of the StormX coin. So before starting this interesting video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel and also press the bell icon for more videos notification. Please kindly subscribe now ABS Tech channel. For if you listen my voice, so kindly reach me a 5k subscribers soon, friends. The change we're going to StormX coin in the last 1 hour. First of all, we look, and after that we decide that what's the next target of Ramen coin according to the price prediction, friends. The change occurring in StormX coin in the last 1 hour is about negative 5.25%, and the high price of the StormX is about 0.0566 USD dollar is the high price of the StormX coin and the last 1 hour, friends. Now if we look the current price of the StormX, so the current price of Storm is about 0.05266 USD dollar is the current price of StormX. If we look the price prediction chart of the StormX coin, so as you can see here, a really fast soaker in the Ramen coin, StormX coin. In the currently at this time, if we look the current status of the StormX coin, so currently at this time StormX also in the falling more, friends. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction to detect the next target of the StormX coin. Oh my god, oh my god, the last 1 hour is a very bad hour of the StormX coin. As you can see here, a very bad fast occur in the last 1 hour in StormX. If we look the change occurred in StormX in the last 1 day, so the change is about negative 22.46% fast occur in StormX, and the high price of StormX is about 0.06843 USD dollar is the high price of StormX coin. So that is the last 1 day price prediction, and current price you are watching now here 0.05257 USD dollar. And now we are trying to predict the next target of the StormX. What's the price is goes in the StormX in this period, friends? Oh my god, I think they are start moving upward. At this time they have a two ways, as you can see the one and the second one. Here is a decision time to they decide that they goes upward or downward. As you can see, the one way to move upward and the second way to do move downward, friends. At this time, friends, now it depends on StormX holders that what is as they are lucky, so they move upward, and they are unlucky, so they fall down, friends. But according to my personal experience, as you can see here at this point, after a fast there is a jump. Same like that, if we look the currently status of the StormX coin, so there is a fast, and after a fast there is a jump. So maybe there is a 70% chances to them move upward, friends. What's your opinion about StormX? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about StormX coin. Thank you so much for watching this video.